Hello students, how are you? We are going to start Unit 7 Physiology and Injuries in Sports Part 5th Soft Tissue Injuries Abrasion and Laceration. Abrasion, it is a soft tissue injuries. Abrasion is caused by friction with some equipment or fall. Abrasion is a scraping injury to the skin and part of skin is lost. It can occur in kabaddi, athletes, hockey, football and basketball, etc. Prevention. First one is sports equipment should be of good quality. Second, proper knowledge of the games and sports. Third, she should do stretching exercise of all parts of the body. Fourth, players should be careful and alert during practice and competition. Fifth, laceration. Sometimes injuries like bruises may occur in hockey, kabaddi, football, and boxing. Bruises are not clearly seen because the upper skin remains unaffected but inner tissues are damaged. In fact, the blood spreads under the skin because of ruptured blood vessels. The skin collects near the surface of the skin, resulting in a black and blue mark. Prevention. First one is playfield courts should be smooth and clean. Second, players should be careful and alert during practice and competition. Third, players should be use protective equipment. Fourth, they should play according to the rules and regulations. Next, bone injuries. It includes fractures. Fractures is known as broken or cracked bone. Various types of fractures are. First one is simple fracture. Second, compound fracture. Third, complicated fracture. Fourth, green stick fracture. Fifth, comminuted fracture. Sixth, impact fracture. First one is simple fracture. The fracture without any wound where the bone is broken at one place is called simple fracture. Second, compound fracture. That fracture in which the skin and muscles are damaged along with the fracture. Generally, the broken bone comes out through the skin by tearing it. Third, complicated fracture. Bone is broken and damage the internal organs. The internal organ may be tissues, nerve, or artery. Usually, such type of fracture are complicated and dangerous. Fourth, green stick fracture. An incomplete fracture in which a bone bends and cracks. This type of fracture usually occur in children because their bones are soft and flexible. Fifth, comminuted fracture. The bone splinter shatters usually due to a crushing injuries. Sixth, impacted fracture. When the broken ends of both the bones drive into one another. Causes of a fracture. First one is sudden fall on hard surface. Second, sports events where there is a high impact. Third, direct stick or hit with any solid sports equipment. Fourth, prolonged long distance walking or running. Prevention. First one is players should be very careful and alert during practice and competition. Second, players should not continue to play during the state of fatigue. Third, proper conditioning must be done in the preparatory phase. Fourth, sports equipment should be a good quality. Okay, thanks to all.